Hello and a warm welcome. This is Mr. T. As always, I hope I find you well. In this video, you're looking at the second video under sigma notation or just sigma. I strongly advise you to watch the first video as this will ensure that there is continuity. Without any waste of time, assuming that you did that, we go straight to the first question. You are required to find the value of n given that that expression is equivalent to 1640. For starters, you need to recognize that it's a geometric progression and that your a value is equals to a half and that your common ratio is equivalent to 3. And more importantly, your Sn is equals to 1640. Very important. Immediately, we're going to use the Sn formula, which is a into 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r, representing the formula for a geometric series. Thereafter, we do our substitutions. We get 1640 is equals to a half 1 minus 3 to the power n over 1 minus 3. Simplifying that, we get 1640 is equals to a quarter 1 minus 3 to the power n. Simplifying that, we're going to get, we'll take it to the other side. I'll get 1 minus 3 to the power n is equals to negative 6560. Moving the 1 across, we're going to get 6,561. Making the basis to be the same on both sides, we get 3 to the power n is equals to 3 to the power 8. Solving for n, we get our n is equals to 8. Therefore, we are dealing with 8 terms. That's the value of n. So our n is 8. We move on. The second question is saying, given the series 2 plus 9 plus 16 plus up to 331, the first question is saying determine a formula for the nth term. So we're looking for Tn. We're looking for Tn. They didn't say find the sum. It's just the nth formula. So to get the nth term, we state that our common difference is T2 minus T1, which is the same as your T3 minus T2, giving us the values of 9 minus 2, which is the same as 16 minus 9. Our common difference is 7 throughout. So D is equals to 7, important. Then our A value is 2, our D is negative 7. Then immediately we use the formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D, representing our nth term. 2 plus n minus 1, our D is 7. Simplifying that, we get 2 plus 7n minus 7. Then simplifying that, we finally get 7n minus 5, representing our Tn, our nth term. We proceed. 1.2 is saying express in sigma notation. So we want to express that given series in sigma notation, having determined the formula. So we want to express in sigma notation and to calculate the sum. So to do that, we're going to start by saying Tn is equals to 331, forming the last term of that given series. But we know that our formula for Tn was 7n minus 5, which is equivalent to 331. Solving for n, we get 7n is equals to 336. Then finding our n value, we are dealing with 48 terms. Therefore, in this series, we've got 48 terms that we're dealing with. Very important that you recognize that. After determining our n value, we move on to the Sn formula and say n over 2 into a plus l. Then we say S of 48 is equals to 48 over 2 into a plus l, which is 2 plus 331. Simplifying that, we get our sum to be 7,992, representing the sum of that sigma notation. But now we need to write it in sigma. So we take it to the other side. We're going to get 48 on top, then n minus 1 at the bottom. The formula is 7n minus 5, which is equivalent to 7,992. I hope you enjoy that. Keep well. Bye.